Welcome to Supplement Guru, where science meets swagger, and your kitchen turns into a biochemical war room for peak human performance. This isn't your mainstream, watered-down health advice. This is your new favorite series, Health Hacks. We're systematically dismantling mediocrity by unlocking the power hidden in your pantry. We're talking about everyday ingredients that can boost performance, sharpen your cognitive edge, and make your cells high-five each other with the force of a thunderclap. We're here to turn your body into a finely tuned machine, not a storage unit for inflammation and regret. Forget the fluff. Forget the fads. We deal in biochemical reality and tangible results. Let's get straight to the work. You want a quick health upgrade that's cheaper than a blood test and slicker than your uncle's hair gel? Say hello to extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just salad dressing. It's a non-negotiable cornerstone of cellular integrity. We're talking 15 to 30 milliliters in the morning. That's 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid gold for your insides. Packed with a potent class of antioxidants called polyphenols, extra virgin olive oil reduces systemic inflammation like a fire extinguisher to a grease fire. One of those polyphenols is oleocanthal, the spicy compound that gives you that peppery throat hit. It acts like a natural ibuprofen, inhibiting COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes without wrecking your gut lining. Your heart? Olive oil hugs it like a Mediterranean grandmother. It's rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that strengthens cell membranes and is clinically shown to boost HDL, the good guy cholesterol, and lower the oxidized, artery-clogging LDL, the punk cholesterol. It also helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that kill productivity. Furthermore, it lubricates your entire digestive system like WD-40 for your gut, improving nutrient absorption and ensuring everything moves smoothly. This isn't just food. This is bioactive artillery. But here's the non-negotiable catch. It has to be high quality. That means cold-pressed, organic, and stored in dark glass to prevent oxidation. Check for a harvest date on the bottle. The fresher, the more potent. Your oil should taste slightly bitter and spicy. If it tastes like neutral, sad vegetable oil, toss it. That's a bottle of rancid fats and inflammation. For the elite protocol, take it fasted, with a pinch of pink salt and a squeeze of lemon. You've just created a powerful anti-inflammatory shot that slaps harder than your pre-workout and sets your biology straight for the entire day. This is the Supplement Guru. We don't just give you recipes, we weaponize your pantry. This series is just the warm-up lap. We've laid the foundation with single-ingredient powerhouses. Next up, we get into the dark arts of stacking these hacks together for synergistic effects that create a state of high performance you didn't know was possible. We're talking about building protocols that turn your biology into an unfair advantage. Subscribe, activate notifications, and prepare to execute. Because your cells don't have time to unsubscribe from greatness, and neither do you. Supplement Guru out.